put you in the mind of spaghetti, but it's not. You can't sleep on Tubi. Oh, I'm excited. I love to decorate. Hey y'all, let me take this thing off. Happy, what's today? Wednesday? Y'all, I am really thinking it's Thursday. We've been a day off. I have been off all week, but off when it comes to the days. I'm thinking like today is really Thursday. And I just left physical therapy and then I stopped at the grocery stores. I'm making this Lazy Noodles dish. Let me know in the comment section if you've heard of it. It is so good. My husband loves it. If you like Asian cuisine, it gives you that flair with the sriracha and the hoisin sauce. It's so good. But anyway, we're making that for dinner, so I will definitely take you along. But y'all, physical therapy was so good, but it is hot. It is hot. I had a 10 o'clock a.m. appointment this morning. Usually I do like 1 o'clock or 3 o'clock. I like them later in the day. But today, I talk about heat every time. Today is the absolute hottest day, reaching heat index about 115 degrees Fahrenheit. So I know it's hot everywhere, it seems like, but anyway, y'all, today is going to be a busy day. I have so much work to do. And I hate the 10 o'clock appointments because, you know, when you get into the rhythm and everything of work, you have to stop and then you have to kind of reset and come back. So I'm not really feeling that, so we may move those times. But anyway, I'm about to head home. I got the few ingredients I needed. So we're going to get home. I'm going to cook this for dinner tonight. And I need to get to some work. So all right, I am situated here for a minute. I'm gonna put you down somewhere, y'all. I gotta prop you up somewhere. But honey, okay, what has happened since the time I got home? Everything, okay? The ish hit the fan, as usual. Just craziness right now with peak at work. I am ready for the weekend. This weekend coming up is my husband's birthday in real time. So his birthday is August 2nd, and we're going to have a blast. It's gonna finally cool off, y'all. We're gonna have a cool front, which I think a lot of the Midwest and the South is experiencing this. So I'm happy that it's gonna be like in the 80s, which is like fall to us right now. Anything out of the hundreds and the 90s, I'm cool with. Layla, what are you doing? She wants to be seen, y'all. Let me put this down. Hold on. Come here, Layla. Oh, say right here. She needs a grooming, y'all. Say hi. Layla, look right here. Say hi to our friends. Y'all, my baby will be 4 this year in September. When we go back to the vet, we're going to be in trouble. She's supposed to lose some weight, and I think she's gained. She's so spoiled, but we got to do better, don't we? Don't we? I know, baby. Okay. I'm going to get in here. This dish, I hope you guys try this. It's called Lazy Noodles. I found this on, I think on YouTube. for the first time. I mean, several years ago, and I've made it several times and filmed it. And it is so good. We enjoy it. And usually the recipe calls for wheat noodles. You're cooking that ground beef so well to it's the closest of brownness it can get without being burned. Okay, that's the consistency you want for this. But y'all, it's so easy and it's delicious. My mom even said she's gonna try it. She's not a huge Chinese food or Asian food lover, but I think with the sauces, the sriracha and all that, it'll be different. It puts you in the mind of spaghetti, but it's not. You know, it's an Asian dish. It looks like spaghetti, a good old pot of spaghetti, but y'all, it's good. So I cannot wait. My husband is so excited. So I'm gonna make some, I have some corn on the cob, frozen corn on the cob. We're gonna fix that as a side and kind of keep it healthy. I am going to the gym. I really don't wanna go, y'all. I really, really don't want to go. But I'm going to go. I got to stay consistent, okay? Do y'all like my shirt here? My Charlotte shirt. We got this 2 years ago on our anniversary trip to Charlotte. Charlotte is such a beautiful city. That's the first time we've been, and everybody just tells me how nice it is, and it really is. It was just so damn hot when we went. And we went, you know, June is our anniversary, so it's just hot pretty much everywhere on the East Coast. But it was so nice. But I love my shirt, so I take care of it. I make sure I set it aside and wash it myself so my husband doesn't damage it, honey, because he's known to wash stuff and fade. I digress. But y'all, speaking of that, I need to do some laundry, and we are gonna have our house painted either on the 8th or the 9th of August. So that is locked in. I just gotta decide, confirm the colors. And I think we're going with this color right here, which is not probably picking up here, but it's called Killam Beige. And this is the HGTV collection, Sherwin-Williams from Lowe's. You really can't see it here, but it's nice. And then we like this other one, this Playa Arenaso or something. It has, to me, more of a peach kind of texture to it. I cross these out. These are no's. But it's like it's a tan and a peach combination. And I don't really want a lot of peach, so we're kind of leaning more toward this one. But y'all, it's going to be so nice because I am so tired of these walls. So this weekend coming up is my husband's birthday weekend. The following weekend we're going to get the house painted because I cannot wait to host, okay? And I want these walls right because I got to decorate, new curtains. Oh, I'm excited. I love to decorate. So anyway, y'all, enough blab. I finished some projects for work. I'm going to be working late tonight, but again, I work from home, so at least I can be working, you know, in the comfort of my own home. So anyway, I'm going to get on and I'm going to cook dinner real quick, and we're going to call it a night. We found this really good series, y'all, on Tubi. You won't believe it. It's like a series. What's the name of it? I'll drop a link here when I edit, but it's a pretty good series. It surprised me. Tubi, honey, you can't sleep on Tubi. They've had decent movies. And this one, like I said, is like a series, kind of like a Netflix, but it's pretty good. It's Silence something, but I'll confirm it. But yeah, check it out on Tubi, y'all, if you haven't seen it. It's actually decent. It keeps you wondering and, you know, interested in the next episode. So we'll probably finish, we won't finish the series tonight, but we'll watch some of it. But yeah, y'all, anyway, I hope you're doing well. I'm going to get back to work and cook dinner, and I will holler at you later.